Hey there, fellow SaaS enthusiasts. Welcome to my newsletter. I'm Josh, and today I'm inviting you to embark on an exhilarating journey behind the scenes of the SaaS world. Get ready. This isn't just your mundane bullet point marketing talk. No, we're diving deep into the secret sauce that makes your favorite SaaS brands like HubSpot, Gong, Figma, and Webflow truly shine. So let's kick things off with the very first step, advertising. Now, we all know that first impressions count, but how do these brands nail it every single time? How do they grab your attention in a scrolling world? Imagine this, you're on social media, you're just enjoying your leisurely scrolling, and bam, you see an eye catching ad that speaks directly to your pain point. You're intrigued, you click, but how did they do it? In my newsletter, I dissect those winning ad strategies and reveal the captivating hooks and stunning visuals that make people like you stop in their tracks. And trust me, you'll want to use these same marketing strategies in your campaigns as well. Next up, landing pages. The landing page. It's like the virtual handshake that welcomes customers into a brand's world. But let me tell you, not all handshakes are created equal. I'll share the breakdown of irresistible landing pages that have converted casual visitors into loyal customers. You'll see how compelling copy, striking visuals, and a dash of urgency can transform that simple page into a conversion powerhouse. Now let's talk about what happens after someone shows interest. Imagine the moment when a potential customer looks at your platform, doesn't book a demo or purchase. That's where follow-up communication comes into play. If you thought the fun ended after the ad or landing page, think again. I'm here to show you the art of the follow-up. The email nurturing, the phone calls, the voicemails, and those sliding in the LinkedIn DM campaigns that keep leads engaged and excited. I'll unravel the clever tactics that brands use to create connections, foster loyalty, and ultimately crank up their customer lifetime value. And it gets better. In each issue of my newsletter, I'm not just talking theories. Oh no, I'm bringing real life case studies to the table. You'll get to see what works, what doesn't, and why. Following a strategy from a multi-million dollar brand could ignite your own path to success. Who knows? That next big idea could just be one email away, and I could be sharing your success story in the next newsletter post. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets of thriving SaaS brands and become a marketing professional in your own right, click that subscribe button and join my newsletter, a peek behind the curtain. I promise to serve up spicy insights, actionable tips, and plenty of inspiration that you can try yourself today. So let's transform your marketing strategies and take your brand to the next level. I can't wait to share this incredible journey with you all. Remember, it's not just about watching, it's about doing. See you in the comments.